So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to invest in gold mines or a gold mine here on Wealthsimple. So before we get into this though, if you guys are new to Wealthsimple, I'll go ahead here to the top right and show you guys my invite code or my rewards link. So if you sign up using this rewards link right here, the link will be also down below in the description of this video. You guys will get some money, I'll get some money, and there actually is something right now where you guys can actually enter the chance to buy a new or to win a new home. So that's kind of cool there. But once we get into this, so go to the bottom left, press on the search icon, then go to the top and press on search and type in ticker symbol XGD. There are other examples of ETFs or stocks that you guys can buy that are in the gold mine section, but let's go ahead here and select this one as an example. So once you guys are here, I want you to go to the bottom left and select the account you're looking to invest in gold mines in. So for me, I can use my first home savings account, my tax-free savings account, or my non-registered account. So let's go ahead and use non-registered as an example. Then go to the bottom right. Now, by default, it's going to be on fractional shares. So if you wanted to buy one share, for example, that's how much it's going to cost. But if you wanted to sort of do fractional shares, you can do that as well. Whatever the case may be, that is completely up to you. So if I wanted to do $10 into this gold mine ETF, I can go ahead and press on review. Then you guys can review the order, go to the bottom, in my case, press on Q order or press on purchase if you want to proceed with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can invest in gold mines here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.